What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at ChatGPT and I'm gonna be teaching you how to use ChatGPT to write an essay, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So we all know that ChatGPT is quite an useful tool, and some of us maybe use it for work, for school. I mainly believe it is used for school. So there are a couple of options on which you can use ChatGPT to write an essay. So I'm gonna first give you the simplest one. So let's say you have to write an essay about let's say industrial revolution. So I would just give you the simplest version over here. Give me a second. So write me an essay about industrial in, let's say, 250 words. So I'm sorry if I butchered some of these words. So as you can see, it gave you an essay with approximately 250 words. Don't believe in this margin you give it. Always go to the word counter and check if it's legit. So of course you can then add more information about people who participated. So you just give it a moment, and as you can see, it gave you a completely different type of an essay with people who were involved. So basically those are, let's say, two plainest options. Of course you can give it the variety of the informations that need to be included in the essay, and you just give it to it. My honest opinion is, if you're using this for school, go to my previous video in which I explain how to avoid getting AI detected in your ChatGPT work, so make sure to check it out. Well, these are, let's say, the simplest versions of an essay. You can always add more to it. You can add the more parameters to the question you give to the ChatGPT, and always check the work, of course. So guys, overall, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.